Hi everyone, welcome back. So Leetcode daily question today is find missing observations. So we have observations of n plus m six-sided dice rolls with each face numbered 1 to 6. N of the observations went missing and we only have the observations of m rolls. Fortunately, you have also calculated the average value of n plus m rolls. You are given an integer array rolls of length m, where rolls I is the value of the ith observation. You are also given two integers, mean and n. So we have to return an array of length n containing the missing observations such that the average value of n plus m rolls is exactly mean. If there are multiple valid answers, we can return any of them. If there is no such answer, we have to return an empty array. So this is the question. We have to find the missing observations. We are given the mean of n plus m rolls and the value of m rolls. So this is the question. Now how shall we do this? So first of all, what we know in this question is we are given the mean of n plus m rolls. So using the mean and n plus m, we can get sum of n plus m rolls, total rolls, right? What will be that? That will be n plus m into the mean, because mean is sum of observations divided by number of observations. So sum of observations is equal to mean into number of observations. So this is how we can get the total sum, that is mean into n plus m, where m is roll's length. So we have got the total sum. After that, we want the sum of n observations so that we can find out an array. What will be the sum of n observations? Total sum minus sum of m observations will give us the sum of n observations, right? So we need to find out the sum of rolls, all the rolls, sum of m rolls. So we have calculated the sum of m rolls. Now we shall get the remaining sum, that is total minus sum of m rolls. So this remaining shall be the sum of n rolls. So now we have n, we have remaining. Now we just have to find out whether we can create an array where each value is 1 to 6 or not. This only we have to find out, and if we can, then we have to find the answer. So how to know whether we can create such an array or not? For this we shall use the basic max trick. For n values we have minimum number 1, so we shall fill all the n values with 1. So the minimum will be equal to n, right? So the minimum is n. And what shall be the maximum sum? If we shall fill all the n values with 6, that shall be the maximum. So n into 6 is the maximum sum and minimum sum is n. So if our remaining sum is in this range, that we can definitely have an answer. Otherwise we cannot. This is understood. So this is the condition if remaining is greater than equal to n and less than equal to n into 6. So if it is between the minimum and maximum range, we shall have the answer. Otherwise we shall just return an empty array. Now we know we have an answer. Now, but how to fill the array, how to find out the answer? For that again we will go for maths. How shall we fill the array? Now if we divide the remaining sum with n, we shall use the Pareto principle. So if we divide the remaining with n, we shall get the quotient, and we shall take it in integer, means for all n containers we shall have that much value. The quotient value shall be definitely there, right? So this is one thing we will do. We will calculate the quotient, and for all n containers the quotient will always be kept. But we shall also be having some remainder or some extra remaining value. if it is not exactly divisible, that also we need to manage. So all the remaining containers will be having one extra value, right? Because we need to add that much remaining amount. So we have calculated the remainder, and those many containers will be having one extra value because we need to handle the remainder. So now we know the minimum that we have to fill, that is the question, and remainder containers, that many out of n will be having one extra, so that our sum shall be equal to remaining. So we shall put a loop for from 0 to n. If our remainder is there, then we shall put q plus 1, otherwise we shall put q. So this is how we shall fill our array. This will give us our answer and we shall return it. So I hope you guys would have got this trick of filling our array using maths. So this was the simple solution for this question. I hope you guys would have understood it. Thanks for watching the video. Have fun. Bye.